Welcome. In this video, I will show you an Excel sheet, which is used for the calculation of linear interpolation. Although it is a basic sheet, it is very indispensable when performing calculations and cannot be missing from your lists of engineering programs. You only need to have Microsoft Excel installed on your computer, and you can use it without having an internet connection. Let us begin. This sheet includes 3 cases of interpolation. Case number 1, when the unknown point is between the known points. Case number 2, when the unknown point is greater than known points. Also known as extrapolation. Case number 3, when the unknown point is less than the known points. There are also graphs on the right side that correspond to each case, so you can know in which position the value you are looking for is. Let's look at the following example. In this graph we can see a straight line whose known values are: for x equal to 3, the value of y is equal to 1.5. And for x equal to 8, the value of y is equal to 6.5. As the first case, we want to obtain the value of y when x is between the values 3 and 8. We will assume that x is equal to 5. Calculating it analytically gives us a value for y of 3.5. As a second case, we want to obtain the value of y when x is greater than the values 3 and 8. We will assume that x is equal to 10. Calculating it analytically gives us a value for y of 8.5. As a third case, we want to obtain the value of y when x is less than the values 3 and 8. We will assume that x is equal to 1.5. Calculating it analytically gives us a value for y of 0. We will verify these results with the spreadsheet. For the first case, we will enter the data in the table that says, Case 1. In the left column we will enter the values of the x-axis, and in the right column we will enter the known values of the y-axis. Note that you should only replace the data that are in blue, since the value of the unknown will be calculated automatically and it is in black in bold and italic type. As in this case the value sought is between the known values, the unknown value will be in the second row. Therefore, we enter the first value of x, equal to 3, and its corresponding known value of y, equal to 1.5. Then we enter the second value of x, equal to 8, and its corresponding known value of y, equal to 6.5. Finally, we will enter the sought value of x, equal to 5, and it gives us as a result 3.5, as previously calculated. Note how in the graph that is to one side he draws the line, and identifies the known values and their calculated value. This will change as we modify the values. We continue for case number 2. Here the value of the unknown is after the known values. For x equal to 3, the known value of y is equal to 1.5. And for x equal to 8, the known value of y is equal to 6.5. Then we will enter the sought value, which is when x is equal to 10. And it gives us as a result 8.5, as previously calculated. We see how the graph shows the known values and their calculated value. We will repeat the same procedure for case number 3, only here the value of the unknown is before the known values. For x equal to 3, the known value of y is equal to 1.5. And for x equal to 8, the known value of y is equal to 6.5. Then we will enter the sought value, which is when x is equal to 1.5. And it gives us as a result 0, as previously calculated. And finally we see how the known values and their calculated value are shown in the graphics. That's all. If you want to visit our website, you can click on the link in the first row. Also, if you want to support us with a donation, you can click on the image of the PayPal button, or click on the link that is in the description of this video. Always make sure that the donation link matches the one displayed on official social media. Remember that you can also use this spreadsheet on your cell phone. You just have to have the Office 365 application installed, download the file, and from there you can use it without having to have an internet connection. To get this file, you can click on the links shown in the description. If you liked the video, give us a like, and share it on your social networks. Don't forget to subscribe and activate notifications to receive more content from our channel, Civil DCP. Thanks and see you soon.